Welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this session, we are going to learn differentiate between servlet and JSP. Hope so you know that what is a servlet and JSP. Those are the server side scripting language and we are using to build a server side pages. The first difference between servlet and JSP is a basic difference is model, view and controllers. So model means our server side architecture is basically divided into the three parts: model, view and controller. Within that, servlet work as a controller and JSP work as a view. Controller, it is act as a intermediate between model and view. And view means what? View is basically used to display the output to the respective users. Second difference regarding the primary language. Primary language means what? Which language we are using to write the entire code. In servlet, the primary language become a Java. As you see on the screen, entire code in the servlet we can return simply by using the Java programming language, and the entire structure look like a Java. But on the other hand, in JSP, we can write our code in the HTML format. That's why the primary language of the JSP become a HTML. Next difference regarding coding complexity. Servlet, as we already know that servlet's primary language is a Java. So suppose you want to embed HTML language into the Java or HTML language into the servlet, then we have to use out.println. As you see on the screen, highlighted part out.println. Within that I am putting your name is, and after that I am just concatenate the name variable. So this is a embedded HTML code within the servlet. And on the other hand, as we know that the primary language of the JSP become a HTML, and if you want to write the Java code within that, then we have to use the scripting elements. So here basically I am using scriptlet. This is a one part of the scripting element. Highlighted line, your name is, followed by I am written here as a scriptlet, and within that I am putting out.println. Right? Thank you everyone.